The collar creates a sill between the head valve and the cylinder. Over time, the collar will harden and crack. When this happens, you will usually have air leaking from the top of the gun. Replacing the collar is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the head from the nail gun. Next, I can remove the collar from the head valve. I'll slide a screwdriver underneath it and just pry it off. The new collar just slips into place. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the head.